number 8, water in a canal. So this is a canal, all right? 6 meter width, that means we'll get the breadth, and then 1.5 meter deep means we'll get the height. It's flowing with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. How much area will it irrigate? All right, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeters of standing water is needed? So simply put, the water from here, we're going to irrigate it into a field here. Okay, so they want us to find the area. So area simply means length into breadth, and they've already given us a height that they need here. Okay, for the irrigated field, how much they've given us to be 8 centimeters. All right, so the first thing we have to do is find the length of the water canal. Okay, length means from here till here, right? So how will we get it? We'll get it from the speed of the flowing water. They've given us to how much? 10 kilometers per hour, right? Suppose let's say that this is the starting point of the canal. So when it flows for 1 hour like this, can you see it gives us the length? And this is exactly where the 1 hour ends, let's say. All right, so can you see it will give us the length? It will give us. Okay, so first let's find the length. So write on a given, breadth given, height given, and then like I said, speed of the canal they've given us 10 kilometers per hour, right? So let us find it in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, pretty simple, we know that the length will be 10 kilometers. So convert, let's find in 1 minute. So it will be divided by 60. Then you can divide this 0 and 0. We're going to get 1 by 6 kilometers. Now we'll try to find it in 30 minutes. Okay, because remember the question was only how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes, right? So we have for 1 minute, 30 minutes, simply we just have to multiply by 30, right? Then 6 1 6, 6 5 are 30. So we know that it can, the length of the canal will be 5 kilometers, which if we convert it into meter, we're going to get 5,000 meters. All right, same thing again, height of the standing water is in centimeters, so we'll convert it into meter. Okay, now then can we say that what volume of water in a canal is equal to volume of area irrigated? Because remember, the water from here, we're just putting it back here, right? Again, same thing, right? That means volume of water in a canal should be equal to volume of the area irrigated. And remember, even this is in the form of a cuboid again. Okay, so let's do it here. So once I'm just writing down volume of water in a canal, like I said, the shape is a cuboid, right? The length by then height. Okay, same thing, volume of area irrigated is also in the shape of a cuboid, but they only told us to find the area, right? So length into breadth. So I'm writing it down here. Area irrigated simply means length into breadth. Okay, and they've given us a height which is equal to 8 by 1000 meter. All right, once we're done with that, we'll this 8 will go down, the 100 will go up, cross multiplication. Okay, so you can already see here. Once we're done with it, let's start the division. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are, then 2 into 2500, then once again 2 1s are, then we're going to get 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. All right, so we're going to be left with 1250 into 3 into 1.5 into 100. So when you multiply all this, we're going to get 562,500 meters square. Now we'll convert the meter in terms of hectare. Okay, so when you look here, remember 10,000 meters square makes 1 hectare, and you can see the meter is smaller than hectare, right? We're going from smaller to the bigger unit. That is why we have to divide it by 10,000. Okay, so we can divide this two, then 1 to right, 1 2, so the point will be here, and from here we'll get the area to be irrigated is how much? 56.25 hectares. Okay.